Hey guys, so Oscal Blackview sub-brand has announced the Oscal Pad 13, a budget tablet. It's going to be launching on the 17th of April for just $159.99. In this video, we'll be talking about its top features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's dig into it. So the Oscal Pad 13 has a very beautiful design. It's going to be available in two colors. The device is also impressively thin, measuring only 7.6 millimeters, which makes it sleek and portable. It is also relatively lightweight at 435 grams, which should make it easy to hold and carry. The tablet features a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display. The inclusion of Widevine L1 support is a plus, as it allows for HD streaming of content from streaming services. The tablet boasts smart K dual box speakers, which could potentially offer a better audio experience compared to single speaker tablets. The Oscal Pad 13 has dual rear cameras, including a 13MP main camera and an auxiliary camera. It also has an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The tablet is powered by a Unisoc T606 processor, which is an entry-level chip that should be able to handle basic tasks and light multitasking. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, a generous memory for a budget tablet. The device supports 6GB of virtual RAM expansion, which should potentially improve multitasking performance. The Oscal Pad 13 runs on Dock OS 3.0, which is based on Android 12. The tablet is equipped with a 7680 mAh battery, which should offer decent battery life for day-to-day use. It also supports 18 watts fast charging, a nice addition for quicker charging times. Additional features of the Oscal Pad 13 includes PC mode with wireless keyboard and mouse support. It also supports stylus, allowing for more precise input. The tablet also features face unlock for convenient device unlocking. In conclusion, the Oscal Pad 13 offers a decent set of specifications for a budget tablet with a thin and lightweight design, a full HD display, dual rear cameras, ample RAM and storage, and additional features such as PC mode and stylus support. However, the use of the Unisoc T606 processor may need to be considered before making a purchasing decision. So that's it for the video. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Oscal Pad 13, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.